ఇది బ్రహ్మాండమైన ఉత్సవం ఇక్కడ. That's okay. It's such a joy to see so many of you here. Each one of you is like a light. నిజంగా ఇది లక్ష దీపోత్సవం. Mahatma Buddha has said, Appa Deepo Bhava, you become light unto yourself. ఇక్కడ అదే కనిపిస్తుంది నాకు. ఉత్సాహం, స్నేహం, శాంతి, జ్ఞానము, ఇదే దీపము. ఈ దీపం ప్రజ్వలించాలి కదా. మన లోపల ప్రజ్వలంగా ఉంటే దీపము బయట కూడా సమాజంలో కూడా సుఖం, శాంతి, సౌహార్ద్యం అన్నీ కనిపిస్తుంది, అన్నీ పెరుగుతుంది. నాకంత బాగా తెలుగు రాదు, కొంచెం ప్రయత్నం చేస్తా ఉన్నాను. Every day take just couple of minutes to reflect, be quiet, and మన లోపల ఒక చైతన్యం ఉంది, అది దాన్ని కలవాలి, దాన్ని కనుక్కోవాలి. The darkness of society can be eliminated when there is light everywhere. And the true light is enthusiasm. I see so many youths here full of enthusiasm. Remember 3 things. Purity in heart, clarity in mind, and sincerity in action. Here I see the three Murtis sitting together, all in 3 chairs. 3 things, 3 more things. What? Passion, compassion, and dispassion. Asakti, anasakti, karunyam, karuna. ఇది 3 కూడా కావాలి మా జీవితంలో. Each one of you is like bubble of enthusiasm, a fountain of joy, and this is what we need to do. Spread waves of happiness around us. And the purpose of all our festival is to create waves of happiness. సంతోషం పెరగాలి మా సమాజంలో కదా. దానికి మనమందరూ కలిసి పని చేయాలి. స్నేహ, సౌహార్ద్యం और సేవ, all the 3 is important. Spread happiness and serve in society. Okay. So shall we have more bhajans? We should not feel shy for 2 things. భోజనం చేసేప్పుడు, భజన చేసేప్పుడు సిగ్గు పెట్టొద్దు కదా. అందరూ కలిసి పాడాలి. All of you will sing together. There in the back, that side, that corner. Great. It's so wonderful to see so many of you here. for Lakshadweepotsavam. And I congratulate the Bhakti channel for organizing. This is what is. This is real divine party. Partying, the youths go for partying on weekends. I think more and more such party we should have, where there is only joy and we are deeply immersed in the love. Our love for the divine. That is bhakti. भक्ति అంటే ఏమి सात्वस्मिन् परम प्रेम रूपा. परम प्रेम को ही भक्ति कहते हैं. अमृत स्वरूपाच. It is immortal, timelessness. Then what does it give? Total peace of mind. नीरसता ही विकार का जननी है और नीरसता दूर करने के लिए भक्ति की आवश्यकता है. भक्ति जहां हो तो वहां नीरसता नहीं होती. तो भक्ति बढ़ने के लिए हमें आंख खोल के देखना चाहिए. जो सब जगह है वो मुझ में है. जो सब हमेशा है वो अभी भी है और हमारे अपने हैं. इतना जान के विश्राम करें और हमारी जो भी जरूरत है वो पूरा करने की सामर्थ्य उसमें है. You know, the divine is everywhere. God is everywhere, so He is in me too. If He is there all the time, He is right now here with me. And He belongs to everybody. That means He belongs to me too. And then He is capable of fulfilling my needs. Kada? The divine love is many times of what the love that you receive from father and mother. That is bhakti. Divine love. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna first says, "You are very dear to me," and then Krishna and then Arjuna tells Krishna, "Yeah, you are dear to me too." So the nature is telling you are so dear to the divine. We must simply assume, I am so close to the divine. Yeah? Then all the worries just disappear from your head, from your heart. Yeah? So this Kartik Mass, the Deepotsav is there from long time. This tradition has been there in this country for ages. But it's being revived now. And once again I congratulate Bhakti Channel for reviving the ancient tradition and bringing together lakhs of you in one place and bringing again the self-respect, self-confidence, enthusiasm, commitment in all our young minds. So more and more such programs should happen, and we should see that you walk around like you are the light of this society, of the world. Know that the divine is within you, personal to you. Feel that personal connection. When you will do it? Tomorrow, day after 10 years? No, right away. Now. Right now. What are the four things? God is everywhere. అన్ని జగాలో ఉంటారు. మన లోపల కూడా ఆ దైవం ఎప్పుడు ఉన్నారు అని భావన చేయాలి, భావించాలి. మన లోపల ఎప్పుడు ఉన్నాడు.
నమః శివాయ
నమః శివాయ Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om
Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. Om Shiva
Shiva
Shiva Shiva Shiva Shiva Shiva Shiva Shiva Shiva Om
Shiva 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 Shiva
Namah
Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. Om
Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya.
Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. Om Shiva 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 Namah
Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya.
Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. Om
Namah Shivaya. Om
Namah Shivaya.
You see, a lamp and our life are very similar. Sharir bati hai, man jyoti hai. Our body is like the wick of a lamp and mind is like the flame. A lamp is burning, you put a glass on top of it. It will stay only as long as there is oxygen. Similarly, if you are put under a glass, you will also live only as long as there is oxygen. Correct? So, life is synonymous. There is a very deep connection with light. Life is synonymous with flame. What you must understand is, like you light a lamp, a candle, and you turn it upside down, where will the jyoti go? Down or up? The jyoti always goes up. Similarly, in life, our enthusiasm always should go up. It shouldn't go down. Yeah? Our joy, our happiness, our commitment all depends on our knowledge. And knowledge which helps us to blossom in life. Okay? Shall we do a very short meditation? Just 5 minutes. ఒక 5 minutes మేమందరూ కలిసి ధ్యానం చేస్తాము. అక్కడే కూర్చోండి మీరందరూ. మన శరీరం ఒక తిరి బత్తి, ఏం చెప్తాము? తిరి కదా? వాట్ ఇస్ సే ఫర్ విగ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు? బత్తి. బత్తినా? మన శరీరం బత్తి అట్లా ఉంది. మా చైతన్యం జ్యోతి, మన మనసు జ్యోతి. When the body relaxes, the mind expands. So let us sit straight. నేరంగా కూర్చొని, keep your eyes open, don't close your eyes. And now be still. Keep your eyes fixed somewhere, anywhere in front of you. Eyes are open, body is still. Now take your mind inside. From the scenery outside, now become aware of your own breath. ఒక దీర్ఘమైన శ్వాసం తీసుకొని వదిలేయండి. Take a deep breath in and let go. Now close your eyes 90%. Keep it open only 10%. Now become aware of your back, the space around you. Be still just for 2 minutes. మీ శరీరం స్థిరంగా పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు కళ్ళు మూసుకొని దీర్ఘమైన శ్వాసం తీసుకోండి. సావకాశంగా వదిలేయండి. Our body has billions of cells. కోట్యాను కోటి కోశాలు ఉంది మా శరీరంలో. ఇంకొకసారి దీర్ఘమైన శ్వాసం తీసుకొని నిదానంగా వదిలేయండి. సావకాశంగా. Now you may close your eyes fully. Take another deep breath in and slowly breathe out. As the body relaxes, the mind expands. And as the mind expands, body finds relaxation. Now let us chant Om. Another deep breath in. Your body is like the wick of a lamp, and you are like the glow all around it. With a big smile, చిరునవ్వుతో దీర్ఘమైన శ్వాసం తీసుకోండి. Take another deep breath in with a big smile and breathe out with a smile. Another deep breath in. Our beginning or origin and our end is all Om. So once again we will chant Om and relax more and more. Let every cell of your body be energized and be alive. You are the light. You are the light. మన స్వరూపమే ప్రకాశము. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. నిదానంగా కన్ను తీయవచ్చు. స్లోలీ యు మే ఓపెన్ యువర్ ఐస్. Good. Blessings and greetings to all those who are watching from all over the place, all over the world. Bhakti, Vanita and NTV, all 3 TVs are telecasting today's program. And thousands and crores of people are with us. Let us all resolve to see that the darkness goes away from this planet in lives of people, and more light, love and wisdom dawn in every home, in every individual's life. With these wishes, with these prayers, let's proceed. What do we do now? You will speak.
After this, Lampe the separate program. Lampe the separate program.
You want to speak?
Yeah, he will speak.
Okay.
And the program.
No, it's finished. Yeah. So once again, congratulate Narendra Chaudhary Garu for, and I would encourage him to keep doing more bhakti programs to bring the sanskara in the hearts and minds of our young people. All the best wishes. Leave all your worries today here and go back with a big smile and keep serving to make this country a better place. Okay? Wonderful. Om Shanti.